These are my shop keys. I need to put these on my belt all the time because at the shop here we got a kind of finicky door and I don't want to get locked out of the shop. So I want to make a little key pouch for these. So something that doesn't clip on my belt, but something that I can just fit inside my pocket. You know those old things. You see these, right? Remember those? Kind of big in the 80s. I don't know. I remember them from the 80s. So I can put these into here and not have them clank. Because they clank. See what I mean? Clanky. Don't like clanky. Merch. So, here's my wonderful little drawing that I made. I know, it's beautiful, isn't it? Figure it's something like that tall. So I got that. Got this, and I'll throw a link to this little thing in the description below from the Amazons. So fat key was on the end here. Fat key is going to stick out. Right, fat key over here, fat key here. So it needs to be this big, wide, and then I have this piece here, so this will go to here, right? And then the button will come on the back, we'll figure out the button on the back here, see? There and there. See, this blade's been used before? And these things dull really quickly when cutting pretty much anything. So, keep your blades fresh. It's safe. You don't have to fight it. And it'll get the job done. Yay! Go. I'll do that. Perfecto. I guess we're gonna go with these ugly gold ones. Snaps. Yay.